In this video, I'm going to show you how to make custom characters with the AI Midjourney. So it's super easy to do, really. The first thing you need to do is go onto the Midjourney website and log into their Discord with your Discord username. And then you're going to join this server called Midjourney. When you're in here, you can either choose the free version or the paid version of the AI. And the only difference really is with the paid version, you can directly contact via private message with the bot and do it there, making your custom characters in there. Or with the free version, you can do it in these newbie sessions down here. I can just show you. The only problem is that you are having you're sharing this bot with hundreds and other people who are doing the same thing as you are. But that isn't really a big problem for what I have been experienced. So first of all, you need to go onto this newbie session so you can make your own character, and you need to go down in the chat system and click / and imagine prompt. So first, let's make a character. Let's choose the Star Wars universe as form of character, where the characters be from. Let's choose a Sith, because everybody loves the Sith, even though they're the bad guys. We are gonna choose holding a lightsaber. No, we are going to choose a purple lightsaber for this example. And we are clicking characters. Character. Yes. But when you're done, you only need to click on enter. And then you are, as you can see here, it's waiting to start. And then you're gonna be tagged with the bot within 60 seconds or 2 minutes. It's gonna show you 4 different pictures that you can choose from, and then you can just save it onto your desktop or your phone device and use it as you please, as a profile picture or anything like that. It's really fun to use, and you can be very creative with it. So yeah, I definitely highly suggest you try to use it, and probably also pay for it if you want to support the team that is making it. It should be coming at any second now. And there you have it. Here it is. As you can see, there's the 4 characters. It looks absolutely crazy. Good job. Okay, anyway, that's basically the entire tutorial. I really hope this helps. If you have any comments or questions about it all, leave them down in the comment section. I'll try my best to answer them in the future. And I hope you have a grateful day. Bye!